Good evening, children. Welcome back to one more session of mathematics. We completed the last class, sets, which is related to union, intersection, and difference. And that's enough from the sets. We have very less hours, less time, how to complete the huge chapters here. And every people, I think so, you know that 29% in mathematics, the portion is reduced. I hope you people know that one. Everyone from the chapter, from the mathematics, 29% reduced. Till today, whether it will reduce more or not, we don't know. But till today, it is reduced 29%. Even which we are going to start now, the new chapter, which is third one, polynomials. In that, the last exercise not there, which is 3.4. Division algorithm. It's not there. So only the 3 exercises are there. So right, we'll go with the new chapter today, that is polynomials. What is polynomial? What is polynomial? A polynomial which contains more than 2 terms with the different powers of any operations. Also, any operation is subtraction or addition. The powers must be non-integral. The power is must be non-integral power. So a polynomial contains more than 2 terms. It includes with the sum and difference of difference, and it contains with the different powers called polynomials here. In one variable that. So let us go here. How we recognize with the result in polynomials, how we will recognize the answer. The answer we are calling in this chapter as zeros. Zero of the polynomial. Answer is called zero here. Z-E-R-O. Zero of the polynomial. How we will recognize? By the picture with the representation, how we will find? Simple. It's very simple. See, on a Cartesian place and a Cartesian plane, graph sheet, nothing but graph sheet. And a Cartesian sheet, this will, the curves will go like this. The curves will go like this. If the curves will intersect the x-axis or whatever y-axis, where this curve intersected, and how many places the curve intersected, called zero of the polynomial, called answers. Answers are called here zeros. So here how many places it is intersected this curve? At 3 places. At 3 places it is intersected. So we will have for this curve 3 zeros. 3 zeros. Let us take here like this. See, here it is intersected, here also. But we should not take this one. We have to take on x-axis itself, where this curve intersected on x-axis called zero of the polynomial or zeros of the polynomial. Here it is. Here also intersected, but this is intersected on y-axis. We never call it as zeros of the polynomial because polynomial standard is ax square plus bx plus c. It is standard, and we have only x variable, which is x intercepts. Okay, a y square plus by plus c should not take y is on y axis. It is wrong. Only on x axis if the curve intersects called zero of the polynomial. Zero of the polynomial. Yes. Let us take one more. How many zeros? The curve here never intersected on y axis. See, this is x axis. Sorry, x axis. The curve never intersected here, x axis. See, this is x axis. Is curve intersected? No. It is intersected only on y axis. But y axis, that means there is a no zeros. Only if intersects on x axis. That means the curve here did not intersected on x axis. So there is a no zeros. There is no answers for this curve. These curves are called only parabola. This is by graphical system. This is by representation, visualization. And the most important thing is here. In this representation, we have only one question, and that too, the most important question in this. There is no other chance. 100% question you will get from this, which is graph. In paper 1, we have from polynomials and linear equations. In these two graphs, one graph surely we will get. We have to very thorough only on one graph. If you will thorough on one graph, it's very easy to learn, to by heart, to remember, to do, to execute the graph or solution. And this is. And polynomial, types of polynomials we have. Just now I said that more than two terms, which includes with the sum or subtraction. So here it is one of the shape. This is the shape we call. The shape is called, and this shape is called parabola. And this shape is called parabola, which is the standard equation is this one. Expression is ax square plus bx plus c. Expression. Parabola, the shape of parabola is u. The shape of parabola is u. Yes, it may comes even like this also. It may comes like this also. All are parabolas. That depends upon the question. If it is ax square plus bx plus c, this is u. If it is minus ax square plus bx plus c, you will get this one. This is without negative. This is with the negative like this. So same like that here also. It will be changes. It will be changes. And this shape is called parabola. Paravalayamu. Parabola. This is the most important question, Nana, from polynomials. Okay, which are going to do now. And this is the curve intersects on x-axis called zeros of the polynomial. There is no zeros for this parabola. There is a 1. There is a 1 0 of the parabola, and here you can take here there is no zeros of the polynomial. The standard quadratic expression is ax square plus, here positive this is ax square plus bx plus c is a standard polynomial. Standard polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic, that is nothing but the power is 2. If the power is 3, cubic polynomial. If the power is 4, multi-polynomial. Power is 5, power is 6, multi-polynomials. So we have a standard maximum all the time. The square only he will give in the examination. He won't give the cubic. Just it is he given in the example itself how the cubic polynomial can draw. How the cubic polynomial can draw. But in examination point of view, only quadratic polynomial he will give. Okay, children? And yes, here this is parabola. When the curve intersects on x-axis called zeros of the polynomial. And we will see one of the question from graphical system. You have to execute the solution excellently with the step by step. We will see that one, and which I am going to say now. You have to do that one in graph, not in notebook or white paper. Okay, children. If you doesn't have the graph book right now, tomorrow you can buy that one, and whatever the problems I will give as a work solution uploading, you can do tomorrow. There is no issue to show only today or night itself. If you doesn't have, if it is available, the graph books are available, you can do that one. Okay, after completion of this one, I will give the only 2 questions as worked. Okay, the most important, that is graphical system. Now I will show that and how you have to maintain the statements, how you have to maintain the steps. The most important is that. So be careful. The left side here graph paper will be there here, is it not? And this is on a graph sheet. You should not maintain any pen work. You should not use any pen, only with the pencil. Whatever the lines, dot, drawing, curve, whatever you have to maintain with only pencil. You should not even use the pen dot. You should not use. Here you have to use, you can use here pen. If any lines will come, you can go with the pencil. Now I will show that how you have to maintain even that one. The presentation is most important, and this is a maximum of 4 marks. And this is a maximum of 4 marks. Let me see this one. Okay, please go with that one question. Draw the graph. Draw the graph of x square minus or plus 4x plus 3. Draw the graph of x square plus 4x plus 3 and verify the solutions. Verify the solution. Verify the solution. Draw the graph of x square plus 4x plus 3. Draw the graph of x square plus 4x plus 3. Whether this question it is there in the first textbook or not, even I did not see, but okay. How to follow the steps very carefully. Now I am going to teach now RHS part. First we will see the RHS, which you have the lines that side. Then we will go to the LHS, which is a graph part. The very first step, yes. In a graph, just now we completed that. In a graph sheet, the LHS side will be there. Horizontal line will be there. Vertical line will be there. Horizontal line is called x-axis. Vertical line is called y-axis. But there is a no y in the given question. There is a no y. Only x variable. It contains obviously x variable only. But here it is required y also. How? It's not given now. So that's what the steps are most important. Here, let Let y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. Let y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. Here you have to maintain one box, table you have to maintain. You have to maintain one table. Okay. X square x 3. Yes, children. This is x. This is y. What you have the terms? X square 4x. This is 3. X square 4x 3. X, and this is completely expression. This is. If it is minus, will be the minus. Here you have to take minus. Otherwise, if it is minus here you have to take minus. And standardly, for whatever the problems, Nana, take here x values are minus 4 to plus 4. Standardly take. Some people maybe they will take minus 3 to plus 3. But in some cases, one of the question is there in our textbook itself, x square minus 7x plus 3, one of the question. In that, 4 also you have to use. For that, if you will maintain from minus 4 to plus 4, it is good for you. And that is standard for all the problems. Maintain like that. So, let me see. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Minus 4 to plus 4. This is standard. All the time, better take the x value minus 4 to plus 4. And what is now x square? X is equal to, minus 4. So minus 4 into minus 4. Like this. Minus 4 whole square. That means minus 4 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4 for the 16. Here you will get 16. So same like that. Minus 3 into minus 3. That is plus 9. 9 you will get. Minus into minus 2 square 4. 1 square 1. 0 square 0. Positive 1. 1 into 1 1. 2 into 2 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are. No changes. How you have here? The same. 0 1 4 9 16. 0 1 4 9 16. Is it okay, children? X we have to take this one. Now comes to x square. This is x square. If you take minus 5 plus 25, you will get. Minus into minus plus 5 5 is a 25. 4x. Nothing but 4 into what is x here? In this column. In this column, x is minus 4. Minus 4. So plus into minus 4 for the 16. 4 for the 16. So here plus or minus? Minus 16. Minus 16. Next, 4 into minus 3. Minus 12. 4 3 is a 12. Only one. Plus into minus minus. Minus 12. Minus 4 2s are. Sorry, 2 4s are. Okay. 2 4s are here. 4 into minus 1. Minus 4 into minus 1. Minus 4. 0 into what is here? 0 into 4. It becomes 0. Here x value is 0. X value is 0. 1. 4 into 1. 2 into 4. 3 into 4. 4 into 4. But here see. Here it is the change. Here there is no changes. Here there is a note, here it is there, some changes with the negative positive. Here also you got minus 16, minus 12. You have to calculate like this. You have to calculate like this. The calculation is most important now. Okay? And this is constant. That is constant. It never changes. 3 now, you will get all or 3. If it is minus, you will get to minus. All or you will get to minus. If it is minus. Here also sometimes minus will be. Minus into minus, here plus 16 you will get. Plus 12, plus 8, plus 4. 0. Minus 4 you will get. You will get here positive, then it becomes here negative. Okay, children? So, but here this is positive 4x, so you will get minus. It's clear? Now, see, these two, x square, 4x, 3. These 3 we have to add. All the 3 we have to add. All the 3 terms we have to add. 16 minus 16, 0. 0 plus 3, 3. 16 minus 16, 0. 0 plus 3, 3. 9 minus 2. Otherwise, one good idea will be positives added, subtract that. What is positives? 9 plus 3, 12. 12 minus 12? Simple. Add positives. Add these two are positive. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 8, minus 1. Here 4 plus 3, 7. Minus 8 is there. Minus 1. Add positive. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 how much? 4. Minus 4 is there. 4 minus 4? 0 plus 3, 3. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 9 plus 12, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 16, 16, 32 plus 3, 35. There is no negatives no here, so I added direct. Okay, children? I added direct. Yes. So here this is final. These are the 3 steps we took as a y, and x is this one. These two only most important, and this is calculation. Don't think so. It's not important. The calculation is important. This is calculation. X, y. And one thing is most important. While plotting on graph, y value don't take more than 12. Let us take here. What is the y value you got it here? 3. 0 minus 1, okay, 8. More than 12. Don't take this one. Don't plot this one. Take here, that means on graphical system, only 1 unit enough. Standardly take 1 unit. Okay, I will say even that one also. Don't take more than 12 is more than 12. 12 is okay because in a one Cartesian sheet, the vertical line you can see, I hope that 24 to 25 centimeters, 24 to 25 units will be available. However, it will goes for 0, 1. The top is 12, the bottom is 12. So that's why don't take y value more than 12. Don't plot y value more than 12. Let us take here. See here it is there. No need to plot. 24. No. Should not. Up to here. This part is enough. If you will plot this one, the result you can see that. The result you can see. No problem. Yes. Here it is. And yeah. Plot the points. These are the steps most important. These are the steps are most important. Plot the points. Which one we are plotting? This one. Here. Minus 4, comma 3. X value, y value. Minus 3, comma 0. Minus 2, comma minus 1. Minus 1, comma 0. I will adjust there. 0, 3, and 1 comma 8. 1 comma 8. Up to here it is enough because it is more than 12. Y value. No need to plot because you can't see the more than 12 in the graph. If you will draw, excellent. You can draw 15 centimeters also you can take, but it looks little odd. The presentation you have to give excellent. Okay, for that itself. Within that itself, the zeros you will get, the answers you will get. No issues of that one. So let us go here. Plot the points. These all we have to plot. The most important, children. These two are most important. What do you understand? Taking out these two. What do you understand here? Y value zeros, x value something is there. In the sense, -3 and -1 are the zeros of the polynomial. In graphs, what I said, where the curve intersects on x-axis. This is x-axis. Y value 0. X-axis. Y value 0. So, -3 and -1 are the results, are the answers, are the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, next one more step we have to maintain. Here, plot the point this one. And next one, the curve meets on x-axis at the curve meets on x-axis where, see here, the curve will meet x-axis at -3, 0 and -1 comma 0. The curve meets on x-axis at -3, 0 and -1, 0. Now, hence the zeros of given polynomial, zeros of given polynomial are -3 and zeros. Zeros means these are zeros. These are points actually. Zeros nothing but -3 and x values. Hence the zeros of given polynomial are -3 and -1. Verification you have to do. The space is not sufficient, so I am doing here within the box. Here I will adjust here because the graph we can see here. You see graph. See verification. Here you have to action verification. You have to verify here. You have to verify here. One is here, one is here. Left and right side you can verify that. No issues. The space is not sufficient. I am doing there. Yes. What is here? Let us take P of x polynomial. What is the polynomial? X square plus 4x plus 3. What is x value? See, this is verification. -3, 4 into -3 plus 3. Minus whole square over plus 9. Plus into minus plus 3. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 minus 12, you got it 0. If you will get 0, then only it is called 0 of the polynomial. Not the 0 for here. Children, not for this. If the result will come 0, the answers, for this question, zeros will be this one, -3. Same like that one more. P of, what is next? -1. -1 whole square plus 4 into -1 plus 3. -1 whole square plus 1. Plus into minus plus 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 minus 4. Verification. In the verification, if the result becomes 0, then that is called zeros of the given polynomial. What is zeros? Hence the zeros of your polynomial are -3 and -1. So these are the steps you have to maintain in RHS. These are the steps you have to maintain in RHS. This is. Like this you have to maintain so that you will get 4 marks, maximum mark, 400% you will get. Now comes to left side, which is graph side, which I am drawing here, graph. Very next here, x-axis you have to write. Here, y-axis you have to write. No need to write here anything. And here, 0. And the scale is most important. You have to maintain the scale. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Standard 1 unit. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Standard, that is standard. Because this is because here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you will take 1 unit, you will get like this. 1, 2, 3. If you will take 5 units, 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Don't be confused. That's what I said. Don't cross. Y is equal to, if it is 12, more than 12, no need to plot. Up to 12 only. Because in your graph sheet, here maybe 8 to 9 units will be available, and in vertical 12 units it is available. That's what I said. Don't go with that. Okay, children? Yes. Now y values. Now take y values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's enough. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. So that is the most important. Whenever you will draw horizontal line, vertical line, take arrows. Very next, x-axis, y-axis, capital X, capital Y. And scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now come on, plot it. What are the plots here? Plot the point. Which one? Minus 4, comma 3. Where is minus 4? Minus 4 is x-axis. This is x, this is y. X, y, x, y, x. What is x? See, in the x, where is minus 4? Positive 4. Where is minus 4? Minus 4 is here. So here minus 4 and plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4. This is minus 3. This is plus 3. So here you have to take. Here, this is minus 4, 3. In the graph sheet, in your graph sheet, lines will be there. Small lines will be there. No need to confuse. Here it is little difficult, na? So okay. Minus 4, comma 3. Next, minus 3, comma 0. Here, see here. Minus 3, comma 0. 0 is this one. 0 is this one. So minus 3. Here you have to write minus 3, comma 0. Minus 3, comma 0. This is. What is next? Minus 2, minus 1. Where is minus 2? This is minus 1. Minus 1 is downside. Here this is. Here it is. Minus 2, comma minus 1. Minus 2, comma minus 1. Next, minus 1, 0. This is minus 1 and this is only the 0. Minus 1, 0. Minus 1, comma 0. 0, comma 3. 0. 3. 3 is this positive. 0, comma 3. Positive. And finally 1, comma 8. 1, comma 8. Here 1. This is 8. 1, 8. So write down 1, comma 8. Now this is plotting is completed. Now join with the free hand. Means free hand is nothing but this one. This is called free hand. Okay, children. The next is here, and this is You got in the shape. This is the shape. See here. And this one you have to write x square plus 4x plus 3. X square plus 4x plus 3. And this is called parabola. This is called parabola. And even you can extend like this also. See, you can extend like this up to here. The next number you will get here minus 5. 8 you will get. 8 you will get. Because everything it will be equal. Next, if you take minus 5, suppose, at the place of 8, here you got it 8, na? Here also you will get here. So you will get the shape, you can see, you can see now the shape is like this. How it is excellent. No need to draw, but if you will draw, the diagram will be super. You have to execute the diagram ultimately, so that you will get without any less even mark, any negative marks. So this is parabola shape. Where this is intersected, parabola, where this is intersected at -3, -1. At -3, -1. See, at -3, -1. At -3, -1 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Are the zeros of the given polynomial. And this is graph part. This is it clear? Graph is most important. Whenever you will draw horizontal, vertical arrows, you have to take. Next x-axis, y-axis, next scale, next 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next plotting, joining, where this parabola intersected, called zeros of the polynomial. Where the parabola intersected, called on x-axis, called zeros of the polynomial. So this is the shape of parabola, and finally these are the steps you have to maintain. These are the steps you have to maintain. 1 second, children. Let y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. Let us take y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. Then take here x values what we have to take. Next, x square term, 4x term plus 3 term. Substitute the value of x here -4. -4 into -4 plus 16. -3 into -3 plus 9. Like that, minus positive 4. -1 into -1, 1. 0 square 1. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4. And take the x value standardly -4 to +4. All the time you will get this one. All the time you will get that one. 4x. X value is -4. 4 into -4, -16. 4 into -3, -12, 4 into -2, -8, 4 into -1, -4, 4 into 0, 0, 4 into 1, 4, 4, 2 are 8, 4, 3 are 12, 4, 4 the 16. And constant is suppose -3, suppose you will get -3, -3, -3, -3, -3. But here positive 3, 3 you will get, 3, 3, 3, 3. Add these 3 terms, 16 minus 16, 0, 0 plus 3, 3. Otherwise, add positives. These two are positives. Add it. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 minus 16, 3. Like this. 9 minus 3, 12. 12 minus 12, 0. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 8, minus 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, all are positive. So 3 only. All add it. 8, 15. If you will get y is equal to more than 12, please don't plot that point. That's what plot the points which you will plot on the graph sheet. That one only write down here. -4, 3, -3, 0, -2, -1, -1, 0, 3, 1, 8. Next 2, 15. Y value is 15. Don't take that. No need to plot that one. Yeah. The curve means on x-axis at minus 3 comma 0. Where it will the curve will means at 0. At 0 means minus 1 0. That is minus. Here one more 0 is there. 2 zeros you got it because power is 2. If the power is 2, 2 zeros you will get. If the power is 3, 3 zeros you will get. If the power is 4, 4 zeros you will get. If the power is 5, 4 zeros only you will get. Because in the 4 zeros, one will be the x square term will be there. However, it will add, whenever you will multiply that one, you will get x power 5 only. X power 5 only. Yes, this one. And hence, the zeros of given polynomial are minus 3 and minus 1. Okay, children, this is RHS part and verify. Sometimes he will ask verification where and verify the solution. Solution you have to verify. Means you got it x values, no? That x value substitute in x. The result if you get 0 called minus 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. If the result is minus 1, you replace it here, you got it 0. That means minus 1 is the 0 of the given polynomial. This is verification, children. And graph. Horizontal line, vertical line, x-axis, y-axis, scale. And plotting, you have to write even like this. And join with the free hand. Don't use scale. Don't use scale. Don't use. You should not use freehand. With the free hand, draw. And where this curve intersects on x-axis, called zeros of the polynomial. So here it is intersected minus 3. Here it is intersected minus 1. So minus 3 and minus 1 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Okay, children? Yes. Now I will give 2 questions as work. Completed that one 2 questions in graph sheet, in graph paper, and upload it to my personal number. Only graph, only on graph sheet. Try to draw that one. Those who doesn't have right now the graph books, by tomorrow morning and draw the figures, draw the graphs and upload the solution by 3 p.m. tomorrow. By up to 3 p.m. complete your work. Okay, children. Now take the 2 questions of this one. One of the question directly only this one I am writing. Only this question I am writing. Same na graphs only, no? That's what graphs. X square minus 2x plus 1. X square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, you'll see with plus. This is all. With this is 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 1. X square plus 3x plus 2. These 2 questions. This one. Draw the graph of x square minus 2x plus 1 and x square plus 3x plus 1 and verify. And also verify. And also verify. Okay, children? Is it clear? Okay, fine. Upload these 2 questions and post to my number. Tomorrow by 3 p.m. Try to post the solution by tomorrow 3 p.m. Thank you. And take a break for 10 minutes. Within a short of 10 minutes, the Hindi class will going to run. Okay, children? Take a break for 10 minutes. Take a break for 10 minutes. Thank you.